Unpacking and product installation. Remove the securing screws at the bottom of the weighing unit. Pass the bottom connector through the large square hole. Tighten the securing screws in position. Connect the sensor wiring harness. Remove the securing pin and pin shaft. Install the handle and connect it to the pump body using the pin shaft. Install the handle and connect it to the pump body using the pin shaft. Insert the securing pin through the pin shaft to fix it. Press the handle down and remove the pin shaft. Pass the handle chain through the hole in the middle of the pin shaft. Attach the nut and bolt at the bottom of the chain to the lever plate. Tighten the nut to complete the handle installation. Lift the forks to prevent them from scraping when removing the pallet.